Hello students. So today we'll be solving the other problems which are the remaining, the continuation part. Here you can see the fifth problem that is showing the question here. So find the magnitude of anticlockwise couple M to be applied at D so that the reaction at F will be 35. That means you people can see here the beam is given, one side is overhanged apart, the other side is simply supported. So here there is a point load 50 and here there is a M moment which we need to calculate the value of M, and here there is a point load of 20 kilonewton and a UDL of 10 kilonewton. So we need to drive, and also they have given that the force, that is the reaction force at F, that is the reaction at F is already given, that is 35. So we need to calculate the reaction at B and also we need to calculate the react moment at M. So first of all we need to draw the free body diagram. So here is the free body diagram which I have drawn here. So first we'll start come from the right to left. So first you can see here the reaction at F which is developed because it is a roller support and a 50 kilonewton force. There is a M which is unknown, and one there is a 20 kilonewton force here. Here there is a 20 kilonewton force, and this UDL is from C to A, which is in between we are having a reaction at B. So I have divided this into two parts, that is AB part and BC part. So this 10 is throughout, it is same for all the length, but the span remains difference. So that's why, so with the two part which I have made is 10 into 1, which will become 10 kilonewton with a distance of half, that is 1 meter is remaining. So half distance will be done. The remaining 10 into 5.5 will become 5 kilonewton, which is 0.25 into 0.25. So half of distance is distributed. So this is how we need to calculate the, or we need to put the free body diagram now. So here you can see, first we shall go with summation of Fx is equal to 0. So no horizontal forces are here, and Fy is equal to Rb and Rf, which is moving upward, so it's a positive. On the other side, minus 50, that is it comes on the other side, it becomes positive 50, 20, 10 and 5. So we shall not consider M because we are taking only the vertical forces. So calculating all this, so Rb plus Rf is equal to 85. So Rf we know already, it is given in the question, that is 35. So if I calculate Rb, it will be 50 kilonewton. So therefore next step, I need to take the moment about B. So if I take moment about B, so Rf into 3. So Rf into distance is 3 from A, 50 into distance is 2, that is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Next, couple M plus moment which is moving in anti-clockwise, so that's why I consider positive. Next, minus 20 into 1, minus 10 into 0.5, and this will be positive because, so this will be positive here because it is on the left hand side. So therefore 5 into 0.25. Calculating this, the moment will be getting as 18.75, mathematically solving. So here you can see in the sixth problem. So find the support reaction in the beam loaded as shown in figure. Here you can see one horizontal force which is elevated at 1 meter is given. So as usual, the supports are given. So how we need to calculate here in this part is here, simply supported, which is horizontal with a hinge and a roller vertical. So that is, this UDL is, we need to calculate into part load 2 into 4. So that 2 into 4 is 8. Half of the distance is 2 meter and 2 meter, 5 kilonewton and 10 kilonewton. Now summation of Fx is equal to 0. So HA is moving in the positive and phi is also moving in the positive. So calculating that, will be getting minus 5. Why minus 5? Because the direction what I have taken positive is wrong and it should be opposite side. So that's why the minus sign indicates. Next, taking the vertical forces, Ra plus Rb is equal to 8 plus 10. 8 and 10. So both 5 should not be taken because it's in the horizontal direction. Taking the moment about A. So moment about A is 10 into 8, 8 into 2, sorry, 10 into 8, 8 into 2, 5 into the distance is 1. With respect to this point, force is moving in the positive direction and the distance, perpendicular distance is 1. So therefore calculating all this value, Rb will be getting 16.83 and Ra will be 18 minus Rb is, so Ra is 1.16. So next part we need to calculate, the next question is, so here the beam is given, so which is an inclined, So we need to calculate all the horizontal force, vertical forces again. So calculating first the free body diagram, reaction at A, and HC and RC you can see here. For a hinged is given here, vertical and a horizontal. UDL force is converted into point load, and the inclined 15 to 1.43. The designation is just changed, but the this remains, method remains same. Nothing changed in that. So calculating all these forces. So first of all, calculating a summation of Fx. HC minus 15 to 1.43. HC is moving in the opposite direction, that is positive direction. This also, when I resolve it, in moving in the positive, 15 to 1.43 cos 45, resolving that force.